How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Bitcoin update. And just as my prediction stated, I was anticipating as long as 100k holds and that the 146k level is reclaimed, that we would pump into my red box. Now that we have approached this and reached it, this is a rejection point. So we need to all understand that Bitcoin can dump from here. But this could just be short term as long as 104.6k holds. So with this rejection, off of the expected 786 area, I also provided some Twitter updates. I didn't manage to get a video out on YouTube. I'm sorting out a mortgage, but we can see it rejected this red zone over here, also stating the Discord, obviously, and Twitter. So with this, I'm expecting a move back down. All that Bitcoin needs to do is create a higher low above 104.6k, and eventually this red box should give in. The target by breaking out is around 120 to 125k. Now, it was previously developing as an inverse head and shoulders pattern in this area, but with the leg lower, you can just call it a double bottom now, because you've come into this key level support 100k twice, both times failing to lose it, showing you that support, double bottom. So it's bottomed out twice in the same location. With the pump back up, if you remember, I was actually quite worried we would catch resistance on 104.6, but also preparing you that if it breaks, I'm expecting a pump into that red box. Now that we're up there, expecting a move back down, as this is still considered at a lower high, but I think this low will hold. I think we're going to create a high low above it. And the best location is a high low above the macro 886 fib, because you can see for these targets up ahead in the future, 120, 127, 130, 138, we need to see this 886 broken. That has now been the case. Now it just needs to hold, and we should see those higher price projections. So in the short term, could come down a little bit from here. If the bulls literally step in from this location and we don't get a small dump, then all I'm personally waiting for is this whole red box to be cleared. A precursor signal is the January all-time high. Let's go back to January 2025, 109k. That is in line with the current dips, 886. So 109k, that's the level Bitcoin needs to reclaim. And at that point, I have my eyes set on 120k as a minimal target. That is it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please check out the education. The links are down below. I've got an ebook, one-to-one video calls, so I can teach you the strategy, but also not only chart reading, a long-term sustainable plan here in crypto. So you actually have something to take from in the future.